And that's how you fold a sheet? Okay, let's go down here and do another one. Okay, that's a little one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get a bigger one. Okay, let's try this one.
No, that one.
Hold on, that one's a different. Okay, here's a good one. Let's try this one.
Where do I put this one?
That's a little one. Let's try this one.
Yeah. Let's put it
Okay.
back in the pile.
Yeah, okay. Let's do that one. You got to get it flat first. Oh. There you go. Okay. That's a pretty big one, huh? Good job. You got one side done. Tell me what you're doing.
Folding.
No, I mean, how you got it all flat. How'd you do that?
Spreading it.
You're spreading it?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job. Have you ever done one that big before? No? This your first time?
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing a good job.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm watching you do this. You almost had it. What went wrong? I like the way you hold it under your chin to do it right. I've seen Nina do that too.
Huh?
I've seen Nina hold it under her chin while she's folding it too. Oh, you almost had it perfect. Here you go. You get it flat like this. That's a good job.
Uh-oh. Did it!
You done?
Yeah.
All right. Clap your hands. Yeah. Yay. Good job. Give me 5. Yeah.